This is another video. It's gonna be, you've probably guessed by the title, but it's more development on my quote-unquote tower game. There it is. I haven't done much, but I did add a game over screen, so I'm just gonna inspect and put the health to 0. Stats.health equals 0. Game over! One time, when I was programming this, so you know how health regenerates when you're not losing it in this game? Well, I didn't say when it's 0, don't stop regenerating health. So it was like game over, and then it went back because your health was regenerating. Yeah, that was pretty weird. So I'm just gonna open this up. Do not look at that. That's not important. So I made a variable called dead. It's either true or false. And yeah, it's game over. And dead basically says, yeah, if stats.health is less than 100 and stats.hunger is greater than 0 and dead is false. Basically if you haven't already, if it isn't dying or dead, then do a health boost every once in a while. So I'm just gonna try to play around with this. Get to play. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, in the previous video I never used scripts, like not scripts for like code, but like scripts for talking. So I forgot to mention that for furnaces you also need 5 clay. So right now I have 15 clay. It sounds like I'm telling you the name of the game making company, Cly, but I'm not. Okay, 29, 33, okay. Let's just make one of these. Didn't get those. So yeah, it's kind of fun. So we're gonna just do some stuff because I am in a programming mood. Sorry. So I'm just gonna make there be plus and minus buttons for the wood, because if I am correct, the furnaces can already handle wood. I think I tested it once and it worked. So I'm just gonna add that. So basically, let's just find the furnace function. Furnace. Okay. So these are all the rectangles. So we're just gonna copy this one. It's the starting one. It's the first plus and minus ones. Oh, oops. Control V. We're gonna put it over here because this is where the boxes are. So we're just gonna kind of comment out this one just to tell where it is, where these two are. I've actually never done this before, but I am now. So now I'm a good programmer. Just kidding, I'm probably not a good programmer anyway. But I'm glad that you're watching. So, yeah. Okay, let's just do this. So that's the the width and the height. That's the X and the Y. It's X and Y. So it increases by 30, since we can see it here. 12, 42, 72. So if I'm correct, this should be 102. Hey, look how easy that was. Now we're just gonna need to say C, V, comment out this one. Bless you. Bless you. Sorry. So then we're going to oh my gosh, my health depleting. As you can see, right here. I'm just gonna eat 5 hunger. Okay. So we're going. Oh yeah, you can put decimals, and it kind of like shades the outlines. Aw, oh, come on, health. You really want me to pick berries, don't you? I like how my energy is just fine. And I'm just starving to death. So I'm just gonna not die, hopefully. Try not to die challenge. Well, I have this. There we go.
Movie Snuckle Bear.
Okay, basically we're just gonna 75, still increasing by 30, so 105 and 110. That should be good. And then we'll just see. Is there a wood thing? Sure. Oh yeah. Let's see how many errors. Oh, none. Actually, not that surprised, but yeah, let's just erase these comments because we can now just look at it. Okay. Oh yeah, it's because of that. My gosh. Okay, let's just erase these two because we know they're the culprits. Okay, so there's actually 3 rectangles each. 2 for the plus, 1 for the minus. See? I'm recording right now. So let's just do that. Then we're just gonna say y plus 110 and 105 and 110 again. So if I'm right, this should look exactly the same except for that. So as you can see, we copy pasted the one above it and we want to move it down like this. So basically we're just gonna look at these, I mean the X's, and then we're just gonna copy those. So 97.5, then 103, and 127. Yeah, we can just erase it, minus it by 50. Didn't notice that before, so we're just gonna, there we go. Now of course nothing happens because we need to put the mouse, like if your mouse is over and touching. Okay, so we're just gonna, oh my gosh. I should really make a function that does all this for me. But you know me, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, maybe you don't know me. I'm just not gonna do it. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, we're just gonna see this real quick. So, okay, so we're just gonna get the first one. If it's the 4th one down, then it should be minus 90, I think. Yeah, because 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 times 30 is 90. You probably have no idea what I'm saying. That's okay. We're just gonna basically just copy this again, or just minus it by 50, I guess. Wait a minute. Oh, there. Okay. So we're just gonna add 115 and 72. Nope. We're gonna go 102 and then 127. Okay. There we go. Oh wait, no. If this dot inside dot. Inventory dot wood is greater than 0. This dot inside dot wood plus plus dot, inventory dot wood minus. And maybe that might work. So we're just gonna see what it does. And nothing's happened. Oh, it's because we don't have any wood. grab some trees. Okay, now will it work? Ah, yes, it will. Now, of course, the minus button doesn't work, but if we say iron, yeah, it works. But does the wood minus? That's the real question. Yeah, it does, okay. So we have the wood, definitely works. So we're just gonna, just gonna make the minus. So we're basically just gonna take this, tab V. We're just gonna take this and add, how much? 50? Okay, so if that's 25, then that. So I'm just gonna check up here. So 95, 125. So it is 30. So we're just gonna put the x's plus 30, so 125. And this dot x plus 145. And there we should go. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh yeah, because we need to say if this dot inside dot would, this dot inside, then inventory dot would, this dot inside would minus minus. Let's see. Will this work? Just so you know, there was like a tree behind the furnace, and that's how I got the wood last time. So we're just gonna pop that in. Nope. It has to be perfect. There we go. Perfection. And just take the iron. So yeah. It's great. This is just a lazy way to do it because I don't want to have to do like, you know, the Minecraft and pretty much every other game inventory. You know how it's like you have those rows of boxes and stuff and you drag them into there? Well, that's hard to make. Like, I've never tried, but I have no idea how. And I have no idea where to start, so I'm just gonna stick with this. I think I'm recording.
I'm just saying something.
Okay, let's quench our hunger by eating one of these delicious berries. Speaking of hunger, there's only really one way to restore it. So maybe next dev video, I'll make some sort of other food source. So for now, bye.